Muvea wa Volisi Niwaweta ndyiungamya maandamano ma Nane Nane ala Mavaniiwe Kutwaiiw'a kwi uni Ateo Mekwikon'ya na Miatianio Nimaile Kuatiia Miao ula Kuatiia Inspector munene wa Volisi na oyu niwe munini wa Inspector General kava wa Administration Police Gilbert Masengeli niwo myokanyo muvyu kana bayingwa maandamano metikilwe maofisini masese Miao aiweta maofisa ma polisi ni Mekwikon'ya uyani kusesea miako Benjamin Mwaka no kutweleza.
Masegeli ndino akikalonana kimama uvo masama vudhu mbewa kiutanija maandamano ma Nane Nane kukusiwa nuwalumilia ni haki ya kila mwenende Kutwaiiw'a maandamano Ateo nongina Kutwaiiw'a kwa Kuatiia Miao.
Where our citizens have right to demonstrate and hold public procession. Article 24(1)(d) of the Constitution calls for the need to ensure that enjoyment of rights and fundamental freedom by any individual does not prejudice the right and fundamental freedom of others. Already, our intelligence report indicated that there are security threats to the country, with criminal planning to infiltrate tomorrow's demonstration and commit further crimes. In anticipation, we have ensured adequate deployment of security personnel. However, members of public are advised to take extra caution while in crowded areas that are likely to turn riotous.
Maandamano ama Nane Nane kwi uni Mavaniiwe kuendesha musukumo kwa serikali yani simoendi alamu iko agency wethitwo enda serikali ethukiisye maandamano la meuka hitino President William Ruto kunyuvanza maimbia ma minister alama na thuimiwe ni mbunge Chumani Kivitu.
Many police officers and civilians have
Masengeli no myokanyo kwa alame na ivango ya maandamano kana vaitoneka kutwa Miatianio miako ni misese Miao ta State House na State Lodge ondumwe na mbunge katwa miako ingi kivathukanyo.
The previous demonstrations have been hijacked by the opportunists and the hooligans who destroyed the properties of peaceful Kenyans, and those are the guys who intend to take maybe that opportunity to steal or destroy property and cause havoc. We also wish to caution members of the public against contravening the Kenya Civil Aviation Act and Protected Areas Act by avoiding trespass of protected areas such as Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and State House lodges. In brief, all those planning to exercise their rights of participation in public demonstration, presenting petition or assembling should do so in compliance with the attendant laws.
Vethitwe na utio wa koti usiete Volisi litumia vina mwingi ndino wa kusia Miatianio ya Muvea enende na yu Volisi wetani Kuatiia utio wa koti Ateo namo alame Miatianio ni matie Miao.
I call upon all officers to remain focused on discharging their constitutional mandate, which is to protect life and property, maintain law and order, and they should do so without any fear or favor. Matters court's order we have to obey as per the court order. And also, those going against the rule of law have to be dealt with as per the law.
Vilingi wa mavo kumuva kauntini ya Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.